Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, in today's video, we are talking about a new rideshare app that could potentially bankrupt both Uber and Lyft, all right? This new app, that is a ride-sharing app, could very well be the company to end Uber and Lyft. And I have a little hint for you guys. This new app is going to completely disrupt the way that rideshare works forever, all right? And there is an opportunity to make money, and I know that's why you guys are here, is to make money. One of the new ways I started making money was on TikTok lately, Tik Tok Shop. I don't know if you guys have heard about this, but TikTok recently announced a way for everyday people to make money by selling things online. It's basically like similar to Amazon, except it's right on the TikTok app. It's like called Shoppertainment, where you scroll and buy stuff. Well, I started making money on TikTok Shop. I actually have made over 600 bucks a day today. I can just show you a little screenshot. This is my TikTok seller account there. 600 bucks. 611 to be exact, and I haven't shown my face once. I started on a brand new account. I currently have 41 followers on there, and it's crazy. So if you want to join in on hop on this new trend, because I know a lot of people haven't yet, I made a link below. You can start join and get free access with the link below, and I break everything down on how to get started. No experience necessary. Okay, I want to talk about this new company that is disrupting rideshare, and that could be the end of Uber and Lyft, all right? Let's jump right in. Okay, I'm gonna sync up my camera here just so we are all on the same page. All right, so Tesla reveals Robotaxi app and names the Robotaxi the Cyber Cab. So the new app is called Cyber Cab. Tesla, this is what they recently announced, and this is what it's going to look like. Elon Musk, he is announcing this, and it could basically bankrupt Uber and Lyft, because who wouldn't want to order a Tesla and get to their destination? They don't have to talk to a driver. They don't got to talk to well, I am assuming at first there will be an assisted driver in there to get everybody used to full self-driving, so I highly doubt there will be no driver on the road. I'm pretty sure for a year, 2 years, there will be a driver on the road with them. But this is really going to take, I know I made a video about this yesterday, talking about this, and somebody said, oh, I don't know anybody who will order this stuff. Okay, well, maybe you don't know anybody, but here in Los Angeles, New York, major cities, people will be ordering these things, especially if they're supervised at first. And even if it takes away 20-30% of the market share for Uber and Lyft, and eventually it starts getting to 50%, maybe Tesla, by the way, guys, maybe they will have an option to have a normal driver with a Tesla, and then Robotaxi too. So you can pick your poison, pick which one you want. And I take Uber and Lyfts pretty often right now. Just, I took an Uber the other day because I went out for my friend's birthday. I wasn't planning on drinking, but I ended up drinking, so I took an Uber. Then I had to take another Uber back to my car, right? I love Uber and Lyft. If I could have gotten a Tesla, I probably would have ordered the Tesla, okay? So I honestly do think this is going to put a major dent in Uber and Lyft. And by the way that you can make money is you go buy a Tesla. You can go, actually right now, I'll show you guys. If you go to Hertz, I just do this because I'm actually looking to buy a used Tesla right now. You can go on hertzcarsales.com and type in, look at this, 2023 Tesla Model 3. It's 1 year old, if that. And these prices are not too bad. Mileage. You can do a low mileage one with 11,000 miles. But no, we're looking at the price. Price low to high. Look at this. You can buy a Tesla with 69,000 miles on it for 23 grand. I'm sure there might be even one with a little bit less. Where's the, maybe we can just do Tesla Model 3. Just Tesla. Okay. The cheapest Tesla is for sale right now for 22K with 95,000 miles on it. That's kind of a lot of miles. This one only has 70,000 miles on it. 2021 Tesla Model 3. Oh wow, that gap looks really bad, but you get the picture. You can also go on Carvana is another website that I've been looking for used cars. You can buy like Tesla Model 3 on here as well. Let's see what the cheapest ones are. But I think Hertz is the cheapest, one of the cheapest ones. Obviously in your local area you might find cheaper ones too. This one, oh, 31K, wow, that's kind of bad. Let me just look up Tesla Model 3 in general. Let's see the cheapest Tesla that's on Carvana right now. No, just normal Tesla Model 3. Let's see the cheapest one, 23,000. So actually, it seems like Hertz is probably the better option. You don't need to pay this shipping price that Carvana has. But yeah, if you buy Tesla, you can, you know, you can rent out your Tesla to do rides for you on full self-driving. I just used full self-driving today. I'm currently renting a Tesla. I'm renting a Model S just to try it out. I don't really like it. Probably gonna get a Model 3. But yeah, this is the, he said it's going to operate. He says, think of Tesla as a combination of Airbnb and Uber, meaning that there will be some number of cars that Tesla owns itself and operates. But Tesla will allow people who own Teslas to rent out their car to go do rides for them throughout the day. So think about all those people who they drive to work, then they sit in an office for 8 hours. While they're working, their car is going out and generating money for them. Can't make this up, it's crazy. So I personally do think eventually, if not this year, or if not by the summer, next year, 2 years from now, I think this Tesla app, you know, this Tesla rideshare service could actually, you know, really bankrupt Uber or Lyft, right? Because I think, you know, Tesla, you know, think about Elon Musk. He's the richest man in the world. He's got billions and billions and billions of dollars. He just bought Twitter. Like, the dude has a lot of money. Now, again, I wanted to give a shout out to my little premium program, Tik Tok Shop premium program. Right now, you can get a 7-day free trial. For the first 100 people, I will be having a completely free trial. You can earn up to 10,000 bucks per month or even more. You don't need to show your face. You can grow a profitable business on TikTok. All the steps will be provided. And really quickly, I wanted to just show you guys, currently, as of today, it's 10:53 p.m. So this is one full day of me doing TikTok Shop. I made over 600 bucks in a single day, which if you do a little bit of quick math, 611, 30 days in a month, $18,000 if I continue. So my goal is to hit 10,000. I'm way ahead of my goal for this month. I just started this out a few weeks ago. But if you want to join along with me, I'm having an absolute blast just making money on my phone, completely faceless. You won't see my face on there. And yeah, you can join it. And I will be launching a Discord for members and myself soon. And yeah, go click the link below. You can read about me and kind of how I got my start in social media. I have over 1.6 million followers on TikTok, over 1 million on YouTube. So I kind of know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I really like TikTok Shop. It's the new way to make money right now. They're competing with Amazon, and I honestly think that they're doing really, really well. I mean, TikTok is really turned into like a shopping app now. It's kind of crazy. So if you want to take advantage of that and make money with that new opportunity, click the link below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Let me know if you think if Tesla is going to replace Uber or Lyft, and would you get a Tesla to rent out to make money while you sleep? Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.